Hey everyone, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today we are doing a hop. It is hosted by Domestic Diva, and we are doing a spring dessert hop. So I will be making a cream cheese pineapple cake roll. And when you watch this video, after you do, you will click on the link in the description box and you will hop to the next video. It's a very cute idea and I can't wait for you to see this recipe. I will turn you around and show you how to make it. Okay, you'll need 1 Angel Food cake mix, 1/4 plus 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 package cream cheese room temperature, 1.5 cups heavy whipping cream cold, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 cup crushed pineapple drained well. And you'll prepare the Angel Food cake batter according to the package directions. Okay, I'm going to put the cake mix in, and all you need is 1/3 cup of water. Okay, I've mixed up my cake mix, so I've sprayed the pan with cooking spray, and I sprayed both sides of the parchment paper so it would lay down flat. And now I'm just going to put the batter on the pan and just spread it out evenly. I've got my oven preheated to 350 and I'm going to put it in there and I'm going to bake it 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, it says lay a clean lint-free kitchen towel flat and sprinkle with 1/4 cup of the powdered sugar. When the cake comes out of the oven, you'll turn it out onto the towel. Okay, it just came out of the oven, so let's see if this is gonna work. This is make it or break it time, and hopefully it'll come out without sticking. Let's see. Just gonna turn it over onto the towel as best I can without it falling over and getting it centered in the middle. It is sticking just a little bit, but it finally released itself. It was getting stuck around the rim because it rose a little bit higher than where the pan was sprayed, so it made just a little bit of a problem, but I kind of tore off the little crusty pieces that stuck to it and it was fine after that. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of gently pull the parchment paper off the cake without ripping any of it. And now I'm going to start rolling it up, and hopefully it won't mess up, but you want to tuck it into the towel and roll the cake up into the towel kind of tightly, as tight as you can. And that worked out really good. Now you can just set it aside to cool completely. You can put it in the freezer for an hour, or you can put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Okay, I have 1 block of cream cheese in here, and the recipe says to beat it until it's smooth. I've got 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I put mine in the freezer and got it really cold. It says that it can take up to 5 to 8 minutes to form stiff peaks. So I'm going to turn it on and pour the heavy cream in there, a little bit at a time. Now I'm going to add powdered sugar. I'm going going to add 3/4 cup. Of course, I can't find my measuring cup for 3/4, so I'm just going to use 3 1/4 cups. And I was supposed to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which I forgot, or I guess I didn't read the recipe all the way down. But you'll add your powdered sugar and continue to beat it on high until it forms stiff peaks. Okay, it's formed stiff peaks, so I'm going to divide this into 2 separate bowls. Okay, so now I've divided them into 2 bowls, kind of trying to do it equally. And now I'm going to put the pineapple in one. And mix it up. And I tasted this. This is so good. You could just eat this by itself. I mean, I will definitely be putting this on something. And this is what's going to be going in the center of the cake. So now I'm going to unroll the cake and hope that I can get this to work. Okay, it says you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or in the freezer for an hour, and I put mine in the freezer for an hour. Now I'm going to unroll it. Kind of set you up so you can see. It's completely cooled. So I'm going to put the pineapple mixture over this side. Okay. Go ahead, and you don't want it all the way to the end. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay. Sticking just a little bit to the towel. Okay, roll it back toward me, and I'm going to set it with the seam side down. Okay, I was scared for nothing. That worked really well. So now I'm going to take my other frosting, and I'm going to lay it over and try my offset spatula, see if that will work. I'm just gonna frost it like you would a regular cake. I am not the best baker, for sure. And I'm not the best at making something look pretty, but I'm gonna try. Okay, it doesn't look like much right now, but we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it set up at least 2 hours, and then we'll make it look really pretty. Okay, this is the finished product. I am so impressed because I'm not the biggest baker, but I impressed myself. I cut off the ends. It's kind of, I guess I didn't make it It looks more like a log. Trust me, it doesn't taste like one. This thing is delicious. So you have got to try the recipe. Okay, I hope you make this cake. I will link the recipe below in the description box. And if you make it, let me know if you like it or not. And I want to thank Domestic Diva for hosting this hop. It was fun, and I can't wait to do the next one. And the link to the next one will be in the description box below, so I hope you'll hop on over and click it. And I'll see you in the next video.